Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing a very beautiful plant called California poppy. California poppy is a stunning annual flowering plant. They have very striking and eye-catching flowers that come in bright yellow to orange shades. These are generally grown as wildflowers and they are great for a cottage-style garden and wildflower meadows. You can easily grow them in containers too. My plants are grown in small pots and you can see how beautiful they look. This is only 2 plants and they just brighten up the garden. But if you have space and if you can grow them in the ground, they look absolutely amazing when they bloom together, perfect for an informal cottage garden style. These plants are native to Mexico and US and they grow there as wildflowers. These are also great for attracting wildlife in the garden. The bees and butterflies love these plants. You will find them hovering over the plants all day long. The best thing about them is that they are extremely easy to grow and maintain. They can grow in poor soil and dry conditions, and they don't need a lot of fertilizing to bloom well. In tropical climates like where I live, this can be grown in the winter-spring season. In cooler climates like UK and US, they bloom from spring throughout summer. They love sunlight, so when you are growing them, choose a bright spot for them. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to get maximum flowers. They won't do well in shade, and too much shade can cause fungus problems. Although in very hot weather, you can protect them from afternoon sun. You can easily grow them from seeds or you can get little plants like this if they are available near you. I usually get little plants, they are easily available here. They actually don't need a very rich soil to grow well. Plain, sandy, well-draining soil is enough for them, and they also thrive in poor soil. Make sure to get a loose, sandy soil that drains easily. Avoid clay soil. You can mix a little bit of compost and sand to prepare the potting media. These plants don't get too big, so they are perfectly manageable in small pots like these. If you have a small garden, you can still grow them easily. Water your poppies carefully. You should not be overwatering them. Always check the soil before watering and only water if the soil feels dry, and avoid watering on the foliage. As fertilizer, I just give them an organic liquid feed every 10 days during the growing period, and once I just give them a slow-release granular feed just before the buds appear. I don't apply anything else. You don't have to feed them a lot. Sometimes overfeeding can lead to less flowers, so keep it simple. If you can, then deadhead them when the flowers die. Remove the dead flowers and don't let them develop seeds. This is how you can get more flowers for a long time in the garden. I have not seen any pest problems in my plants, but they can get fungus if they don't get proper light, so you can use neem oil once a week. You can also save the seeds when they mature to grow them next season. California poppy is a great and carefree plant to have in the garden. The colors and the beautiful cup-shaped flowers uplifts the garden. I love growing them and I'm sure you will love them too. So definitely grow them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.